Hello students, so let us see this worksheet. So first we are going to create a folder VTC and the subfolder student staff admin and the files inside this. Okay, so let's start. First we are going to create a folder VTC. So you all know how to create a folder, new folder, and then we are going to create it as VTC. Alright, yeah. Inside the VTC folder we are going to create three subfolders. So right click, new folder. The first thing is student, and then the second folder is file, new folder, staff, and the third one is new folder, admin. Okay, so we have created the three subfolders. So VTC student staff admin is created. Next we are going to create the file computer.txt and trainee.toc, okay, under the student folder. So what we are going to do, going to the student folder, and we are going to create a file computer.txt. So new text, where is text? Yeah, so computer, and then close it. Next what we are going to do is trainee.doc, okay, and then right click, new Microsoft Word document, and write trainee. Okay, so we have created two files. All right, so next open the computer.txt file and write the memory size and operating system of your computer. So we have to write operating system and memory of your computer. For that, what we have to do, we have to go to this PC, right click, you will find properties. So in that you will find the memory of your computer and the operating system. So my memory is 16 GB and my operating system is 64-bit operating system. Okay, so now what I have to do, open the computer and write memory is 16 GB. Okay, operating system is Windows 64-bit operating system. All right, once you finish writing it, save file, save, and then close the file. Okay, next, what is the third question? Open the trainee.doc, write your name, class, group, and save the document. So we have to open trainee and write your name and the details. So go to the folder student, open the trainee, and sorry, this is old question, trainee, and then we have to write name, class, and group. Okay, so we have to write your name, Mohammed or something. Okay, and class is level 1 or level 2 or level 1, you write it, and group 2 or group 2 or group 1. Okay, after writing it, click on the save button, file, save, and then close your Word document. Okay, so we have finished two files. The next question is, copy the files to computer.txt and trainee.doc from desktop VTC student folder to the subfolder staff. So from the student, we have to copy this to file and paste it in the staff. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So for that, go to your folder and we have to copy these two files. Okay, so first I will copy the first file and show you. Copy. Okay, you can just say copy and then go to VTC, go to the staff, and you can paste. Right click, you can say paste, or you can say Control V. Okay, same way, go to the student, copy the trainee, copy, and then go to VTC, staff, and then paste the file. Okay, so now we finished question number 4. Okay, so we copied these two files and pasted in the staff. Okay, next what we have to do, compress the folder VTC with the same name on your desktop. We have to compress the folder. Okay, so how to compress it? So this is the folder which we created, VTC, isn't it? So we have to compress it. Right click, there is an option called add to archive. Click on it. Now we can say okay. We have to keep the same name. Okay, it can be ZIP or RAR, anything it can be. Say okay. Now can you see my file is compressed with the same name? Okay, yeah. So the next question is hide the trainee.doc file from the student folder. So from the student folder we have to hide this trainee doc. How to hide the file? Go to the student and trainee, we have to hide it. How to hide it? Right click, go to the properties, and here you will find something called hidden. So check this box hidden, say apply. Okay, so the file is hidden. Okay, then question number 7. Delete the files computer.txt from desktop VTC staff folder and restore them from the recycle bin. So we have to delete from which folder? From staff folder, you are going to delete the computer.txt and you are going to restore it. So how to delete and restore it? Go to your staff and go to the computer and we have to delete it. You can say right click and delete. Okay, so the file is deleted. Now, so what we can do now, we can go to the recycle bin. Now you will find your file computer. So now we have to restore it back. Okay, right click, say restore. So the file will be restored back in your staff folder. Okay, yes. And then the question number 8. Yeah, create a shortcut icon for the file.txt present in desktop VTC admin. So in the admin, we have to create a file called file.txt and we have to create a shortcut. Okay, so for that, go to the VTC. In the admin, you are going to create a file.txt. So right click, new text document, write the name as file. Yeah. So now what we have to do, we have to create a shortcut. Okay, what is asked in the question? You have to create a shortcut icon for the file.txt. Okay, to the desktop of your computer. You have to keep it in your desktop. Okay, so how to do that? You can just say file, create shortcut. Yes. Okay, that's it. The shortcut is created. All right, that's it. So now we can just drag this shortcut and keep it in on your desktop. Okay, yes. So this is question number 8. So next one is question number 9. Take screenshot of your current screen, paste it in Paint and save the file as screenshot.jpg. So what we are going to do, we are going to take a screenshot of your current screen. Okay, so how to take screenshot of your current screen? This is your current screen. We have to take a screenshot and paste it in Paint. That is the question. Okay, take a screenshot, paste it in Paint, and we have to save the file as screenshot.jpg under admin folder. Okay, okay, let's see how to create the screenshot. When you want to take screenshot, press print screen button on your keyboard. Print screen. Okay, then go to Paint. You know how to choose Paint, right? Open Paint in your computer. Paint is open. Now you can paste it. Control plus V. Okay, so you can paste it. You will get your thing. Okay, so now let me just do it. Print screen and open your Paint and then paste the thing. Control plus V. I have pasted my screenshot. Okay, now we can just make it little smaller. Sorry, little smaller. Now this is my screenshot. Now what I can do, I can save it in my screenshot.jpg. Go to file. Okay, save as. Okay, go to your desktop and where is my folder? VTC. Under this admin, it should be, the name should be screenshot. Okay, dot jpg or jpg. You will find jpg. Yeah, this is jpg. Okay, dot jpg, jpeg. So you can use this format and say save. Okay, now if we go to the VTC folder, you inside the admin, you will find your screenshot. Okay, so this is all about the practical part. Okay, in case if you have any doubt on you can just ask me. And the 10th question is search file. You just want to search this screenshot and using save search. Okay, you know how to search a file, right? So if you go here, you can just go there and search the file screenshot. So what happened, the file will be searched. Okay, that's it. Thank you, students.